Let's go, fast as you can to 15. Make sure you yell done so they know to go. Nobody should be stopping the whole time. Good job, fast as you can go. Good job, yell done, I can't hear you. Remember, on your toes. Okay, Louis, you're doing 15 twice. Gotta go again. Beauty of being last in line.